Commission was an emotional roller coaster ride because people spoke about their own personal experiences.
It ended up being 21 rapes, including the 5. There was one little girl that died before they apprehended the suspect, and he was a serial. We failed them. We talk about them having human rights, access to health, access to justice. We don't think about what these children, these young adults, these people have to go through, and the effect of sexual violence on them.
The commission itself is not something that communities are used to, especially Khayelitsha. I think it's probably one of the 2 commissions that have ever happened in that community. So it does bring a lot of anxiety in the community because they don't know about it. Eventually the community warmed up. As the process of inquiry was progressing and we were talking about it, it was in the media, it became packed. The hall was packed, there was no place to sit.
It's disheartening. There's just plainly not enough personnel available on the station to do what is required from them.
All right.
Well, it was a big process because we must have gone through 50,000 police documents because we had to understand the national instructions, the standing orders of the police, their policies. We went through police dockets in Khayelitsha. We took more than 200 affidavits from members of the public. We called in expert witnesses to testify on various aspects.
The evidence that I shall give shall be the truth.
And the Constitution already gave the province sufficient oversight powers.
So it was a huge operation. We had to call in senior members of the police to come in and testify. The Provincial Commission of Police, General Lamour at the time, had to testify, and some of his generals, teachers as well, because also there was a problem of violence at schools. So we called in quite a number of people.
There can be no doubt that conventional or so-called normal policing methods or strategies cannot be deployed or used in many parts of Khayelitsha, particularly in areas that exhibit high-density informal settlements. None of the strategies proposed by the NGOs or by some witnesses will make any difference.
Initially, the police were apprehensive because they were not sure. They thought this was going to be a witch hunt. We made it clear from the outset. The idea was to look at the actual problems, the root causes of the problem, and try and find solutions.
Kuleyo indima ndingathi abantu abakwazi kulinda. Yilento ebangela uba ukuze mabathe amapolisa wasembi because abakwazi ukulinda. Xa kuthiwe kuba mabalinde abafuni ukuyenza loo nto. Bafuna into mayenzeke ngomzuzu.
Policemen work under tremendous pressure, and I think things can get very, very uptight if you have 3 or 4 of them in one office. It's not a recipe for success.
The commission was an attempt for communities to engage with the state, but not just for certain people to go and present our views, because that's what happened in a court case. It's only the lawyers who have the lawyer language, whereas ordinary people have a right to be heard in their own language because they are the ones who are actually bearing the brunt. And the commission opened it up. We spoke evidence from our own experience.
Okokobathi kuma ndikhangele ba undawuni na eGauteng kulapho ndaphelelwa lithemba lamapolisa ndazixelela into kokuba ndiyekile kodwa bendingayiyekanga ngophela ngoba ibihlahla lifike kumlonto yabantwana.
There were 2 Masile